for homeowners in very hot and dry climates, a high-efficiency gas furnace is a great investment. These furnaces provide efficient heating, superior comfort, and reliability. When choosing a furnace, consider factors like sizing, manual matched equipment, climate, ducts, fuel, electrical service, installer quality, and local parts support. The Carrier Infinity 9859MN7, Train Premier 97, and Lennox SLP 99V are top models to consider. Remember to verify exact model, RE match, current specs, warranty registration, availability, and written installed quote when requesting contractor quotes.